Subscribe to Rajshrifood and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today I'm making a restaurant style gravy, but I'm twisting it to make it Jain so that you guys can eat it during Paryushan. So let's see the recipe of Paneer Kaju Masala. Let's start with making the masala mix. For that, I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of kaju powder or cashew nut powder, 1/8 teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, 1/8 teaspoon of soot or dry ginger powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of achar masala, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, salt to taste. Let's mix all these powders. Into this, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Into this, let's add in 1/4 cup of malai. Just mix this as well. The gravy mix is ready. Let's pour it into a pan. Cook the gravy till it's nice and thick. The gravy is nicely thickened and now I'm going to add in half a cup of water. Let this cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now into this, I'm going to add in 200 grams of paneer that I've cut into cubes. Give this a mix. Since it's a Paryushan special recipe, make sure you're using homemade paneer. Check the description box for the link for the homemade paneer. The gravy is done. Let's turn off the flame. Let's remove this in a serving bowl. For the tadka, let's heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, let's add in 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of hing and 1.5 tablespoon of cashew nut pieces. Cook this till the cashew nut pieces are slightly brown and pour it over the gravy. So here is a simple recipe of Jain Paneer Kaju Masala. Do try this at home, comment below and stay tuned for more such recipes for Paryushan special. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.